In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build e-commerce forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well, so you can use both tools side by side. Before generating the form, take a moment to define your goal. Be clear about what your e-commerce form needs to do. You may want to collect product orders, customer details, shipping information, and payment details. Having that goal in mind will help you create a form that is organized and practical. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly as written. Create an e-commerce form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for customer details, product selection, order summary, shipping information, and payment. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After submitting the prompt, give Claude AI a moment to generate the form, then return to Jotform and look for the newly created form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully. Once the form is created, add any extra e-commerce fields you need. This can include product options, quantity selectors, pricing fields, shipping methods, and payment details. The goal is to make sure the form matches your sales process and gives customers everything they need to complete an order. After that, arrange the form in a logical flow. Start with customer information, then move into product selection, followed by the order summary, shipping details, and finally the payment section. A clean structure makes the form easier to complete and helps reduce mistakes. Now customize the form. Edit the labels so they are easy to understand. Add short instructions where needed. Mark important fields as required so customers do not skip essential information. This helps make the checkout experience smoother and more reliable. Next, open the form settings and adjust the features that support your store. Enable your payment integration, set up notifications, and configure order confirmation messages. These settings are important because they help automate your process after a customer submits the form. Once everything is in place, preview the form and test the full purchase flow from start to finish. Make sure the products, pricing, shipping, and payment sections all work correctly. When you are satisfied with the result, publish the form and share it. You can copy the direct form link or embed it on your website, depending on how you want customers to access it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.